Welcome back to my channel with a new video. How to make a recommendation letter for a scholarship. What is a recommendation letter? A recommendation letter is a formal document that is written by the one who knows you very well and is a trusted person who recommends you for that particular thing to which you are applying. A recommendation letter is required for every scholarship. In this article, we will tell you how to make a recommendation letter for a scholarship that catches the reader's eye. It is also known as a reference letter. It provides details about your qualifications, expertise, skills, and how you fit for that role or scholarship. It is typically written by a former employer, professor, or supervisor with someone you have worked under. All fully funded scholarships require a letter of recommendation. Without further delay, let's start the video, so stay tuned and watch till end. How to make a recommendation letter for a scholarship. Normally, most scholarship requires two letters of recommendation. One from an employer and the second one from an academic advisor. How to write a recommendation letter from an academic advisor and from an employer. The first is to get in touch with him/her. You have to tell them about the type of scholarship, the requirements of the scholarship, and how you are fit for that scholarship. They will ask you some questions, and most academic professors have to answer and fill out that form on your behalf. Some universities will automatically send a letter of recommendation template to the email which you will provide. So you have to find the professor in advance who will be ready to fill out the letter online. Recommendation letter format. Your letter of recommendation should not exceed 500 words or 350. Make it concise and error-free. One has use a university letterhead or company. At the top left-hand corner of the page, the author should include the following information: date of writing, full name, title, university, college name, address, city, state, zip code. Preferred contact optional. The author can also write his information at the end of the document on the left sidebar. To introduction. This will be the starting intro of a letter in which the writer will introduce the applicant. For example, I am very pleased to recommend John for the Chevening Scholarship Program at your university, this particular program. Then here comes the second paragraph. In this part, they will write about how much time you have studied or worked with them, your skills, performance, expertise, and all the important and necessary information. The third paragraph will most likely be about compliments, achievements, and why you are fit for this role. They will also compliment your soft skills. The last paragraph will be a conclusion. For example, it is my conviction that her natural aptitude towards research ability to work independently and her hard-working nature. She will contribute greatly to any program. I strongly recommend her for higher studies at your university and wish her the very best in all future endeavors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.